At first, in my speed test done with basic WordPress installations, WordPress 5.7 and WordPress 5.8 were scoring very similar scores. Both were scoring 100 out of 100 for mobile and desktop devices. The scores are so high because there were no plugins installed. It was just a fresh WordPress installation. I tested with Gtmetrix and they were very similar, as you can see. But things become interesting. Once I imported complete website with a lot of images and content on both websites using starter templates and Astra theme and some plugins. And now I can really see the difference between speed of WordPress 5.7 and 5.8. Before we jump into final test, if you like my videos, then don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to the channel and be part of the community. You will get only quality content here in most easy, to the point and compact way without wasting any of your time. So these are the new results. So now 5.7 was scoring 74 for mobile devices and 99 for desktop. And 5.8 is scoring 75 for mobile devices and 99 for desktop too. There's not very big difference, but to mention here, there was no optimization done like cache or minifying on any of these sites. The score looks very close. But wait, let's see the Gtmetrix scores. WordPress 5.7 was loading in 1.1 second and 5.8 was loading in only 671 ms. So finally we found when content is present, the 5.8 load twice fast than 5.7. So don't wait anymore. Upgrade your website today to 5.8. If you want to know how to update your website without breaking it, check out the video on your screen. If you want to make your website super fast in just 5 minutes, check out this video on your screen. And like always, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in another informational tutorial. Ciao.